Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can adjust the aspect ratio of a video in your video editor on Clipchamp. So let us get started. So load the video editor and the video project in Microsoft Clipchamp, and here on the timeline, guys, what you want to do is click into that button above the frame or preview, select it, and from size here, from the drop-down menu, choose one of these aspect ratios, these presets like vertical, wide, square, and you'll see the preview in the background. So if you'd like to convert that video clip to, let's say, a 9:16 aspect ratio for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, click into this, and then the aspect ratio will be adjusted accordingly. Now, that is only for the frame. You need to adjust or resize the video clip as well. So in this case, click into the video clip and use these handles here to resize it, so that the video clip fits into the frame like this. And in some cases it may also help to right click into the video clip, over your mouse over resize, and choose fit or fill. That is going to either restore the default size of the video clip, or if you choose fill, it will look like this. Or you do this by using these handles here, these corners. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.